Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the domain source for a ad hoc view. So let's see. I have a ad hoc view called my view. This is in JasperReports Server version 7.5. Suppose we already have a view that's using a domain. Okay, so this one just provides some count for the Jasper repository data source tables. And if you want to switch the domain from this organization domain, say, to another domain, you can do the switch from JasperReports Server ad hoc designer. However, once you switch the data source, domain data source from one to another, user end up having to basically recreate this ad hoc view again. You can see the design is gone. For a simple ad hoc view such as the one I'm demonstrating, it's not really a big deal. But what if your view is more complex? As you can see now, I'm pulling out different sets of information. So in this case, you really don't want to recreate the view. So how can we switch the domain as the view data source without having to redo all those jobs? So what you can do is to use the Jaspersoft Studio tool to switch the domain for the view. So let me bail out. I don't want to save this one. Okay, so let's bail out. So basically what I'm going to do is to switch the source of this view already using organization domain to resource domain. So let's launch the Studio. So this is Jaspersoft Studio. Also, this is version compatible version 7.5. Okay. So in the repository explorer, we have to connect to the to this instance. Okay, once we are in there, we can locate our view. In this case, it's this one. So right-click, look at the property of my view. Now you can see the source of this data source of this view is using this organization domain. So let's switch to the resource domain. So in here, we need to locate our repository location, which is under this folder. So let's switch to resource domain. Okay, switch it. So now it's switched. Finish. Okay, it's committed. Now let's go back to our view and see the result. You can see this resource domain and I give you resource information. So this is how you can use Jasper Studio to switch the domain as the data source of a ad hoc view. So that's all I want to show you with this Jasper Studio report design tool to help do this thing that under the ad hoc designer web UI we are not able to do. Okay, for additional information, you can look at JasperReports Server user guide. With regard to domain, is under chapter 7. It tells you all these domain-related issues. Under chapter 5, you can see ad hoc view editor and how to use ad hoc to create, how to use the domain to create ad hoc under this section. Okay, so that concludes my presentation. Thank you for watching.